Prone YTW. So this is a back exercise and shoulder exercise. So for this, we're going to lay on the mat. You're going to lay on your front. So from here, we're going to first do the Ys. So you're going to straighten your arms above the head and a little bit wider than shoulder width apart. From here, keeping the face down as low as you can to the floor, we're going to bring the arms up as high as we can. Keeping those shoulder width apart. Okay, from here, you're going to bring the elbows back to the lats, and we're going to stretch them up above the head again. This is the W, so we're going from the Y now to the W. We're going to bring those shoulder blades together, keeping the hands and the arms as high as we can. And now to the T, so we're going to come out, shoulder width apart, and again, we're going to bring the arms up, bring the shoulder blades together, keeping that back nice and tight and engaged.